Welcome. Tired of stubborn belly fat? Look no further than your pantry. These 5 superfoods are more than just kitchen staples. They're your secret weapons for weight loss. We're talking everyday ingredients, delicious and packed with powerful benefits. Get ready to transform your diet and achieve a healthier, leaner you. Today, we're diving deep into how these incredible foods can work for you. We'll explore the science-backed benefits that help you shed belly fat and achieve a fitter physique. Get ready to learn how to incorporate these superfoods into your diet in delicious and creative ways. Let's begin our journey with a simple yet powerful tool: hot water. Don't underestimate this morning ritual. It's more than just a way to wake up. It's a foundation for good health and weight management. Drinking hot water on an empty stomach can actually boost your metabolism. Here's the science. Hot water raises your internal body temperature, and that in turn helps your body burn more calories and melt away fat. But wait, there's more. Enhance your hot water with a squeeze of lemon. It doesn't just add a refreshing twist, it also packs a powerful punch. Lemons are loaded with pectin fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky hunger cravings. Plus, lemon aids in detoxifying your body, giving you a clean and healthy boost. Now, let's unlock the secrets of the next power trio: amla, aloe vera, and ginger juice. Each of these ingredients is a powerhouse in its own right. But when combined, they become a force to be reckoned with. We'll delve into their individual and combined health benefits to show you how they can supercharge your weight loss journey. Let's meet amla, the Indian gooseberry. This powerhouse fruit is packed with vitamin C, which acts as a natural metabolism booster. By amping up your metabolic rate, amla helps your body burn more fat throughout the day. Watch as we juice fresh amla to unlock its weight loss magic. We all know aloe vera for its soothing properties, but it's a weight loss warrior too. Its high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps your digestion running smoothly. This is crucial because proper digestion is key to burning fat efficiently. Let's see how aloe vera gel is extracted and juiced for its amazing benefits. Finally, we have ginger, a thermogenic superstar. Thermogenesis is the fancy term for your body's heat production. When your body generates more heat, it burns more calories. Ginger is a natural thermogenic booster, meaning it helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Watch as we grate fresh ginger and combine it with our amla and aloe vera juices. Now, for the grand finale. This powerful blend of amla, aloe vera, and ginger juices is the ultimate morning pick-me-up. Drinking it first thing in the morning jumpstarts your metabolism, stimulates digestion, and sets a dynamic tone for a healthy day ahead. Enjoy a sip of this potent concoction and feel the power of nature working for you. Now, let's shift our focus to barley, an ancient grain with a modern mission: weight loss. Packed with nutrients and incredibly versatile, barley has been a dietary staple for centuries. Its secret weapon? High fiber content. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings and aiding in weight management. Watch as we showcase the beauty of barley fields and its transformation into delicious, healthy dishes. Want to reap the benefits of barley easily? Barley water is your answer. The simple drink is bursting with fiber and incredibly refreshing. Prepare a batch in the morning and enjoy it throughout the day to stay hydrated and curb cravings. See how easy it is to make barley water in just a few steps. Next up, we have cabbage, the king of low-calorie volume. Don't let its simplicity fool you. Cabbage is a master at adding bulk to your meals without packing on the calories. It's a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Watch as we chop fresh cabbage and showcase its versatility in delicious dishes like salads and soups. The magic of cabbage doesn't stop there. Its high fiber and water content work together to naturally suppress your appetite and keep your blood sugar levels stable. This means fewer cravings and a more balanced metabolism. Join us as we prepare and enjoy a hearty bowl of cabbage soup, a perfect example of how delicious and healthy this superfood can be. Last but not least, let's welcome moong dal, a protein and fiber powerhouse. This versatile legume is a champion for weight management. Moong dal shines in countless dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. Watch as we transform moong dal into a variety of delicious and nutritious meals. Want to unlock the full potential of moong dal? Sprouting. This simple technique enhances the nutritional value by making the nutrients more readily available for your body. Sprouted moong dal is also easier to digest, further boosting your metabolism and aiding in weight loss. See how easy it is to sprout moong dal at home and then incorporate it into a refreshing salad. Remember, these incredible superfoods are just the beginning. By integrating them into your daily routine, you can transform your health and shed those unwanted pounds. But remember, the key to success is variety and moderation. Don't get stuck in a rut. Explore different recipes and portion sizes to keep your diet exciting and sustainable. To maximize your results, combine these dietary changes with regular physical activity. Find an exercise routine you enjoy, whether it's yoga in the park or a cycling adventure. Consistency is key. Get your body moving and feel the positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier you. Explore our channel for more detailed guides and recipes to further optimize your well-being. Remember, prioritizing your health is a daily choice. Let's make wellness a habit together. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.